All right, here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna get straight to it. I don't want to take up anyone's time. So before you go and spend $150, $300 on a new starter, here I had to went to go and start my boat just the other day, and what happened is it just kept turning over. Long story short, it turned over and wouldn't stop until it actually burnt all the way out. So I took this starter that you see in my hand, I took it out. I bought this boat about 2.5 years ago or so. And here's the original. Here's the original starter. So what you want to do is keep all your original parts, and it's a good thing, as you can see, that this is all rusted out. This is the original one. But the one after 2 years, this finally gave, and so what I did is I opened this up, and I went up there and checked some parts on what these things cost, and we want to get out on the water tomorrow. So long story short, I said, even though I ordered one right now, I have one on the way, I said, I'm gonna fix this here. I'm gonna open it up. And I went to get it tested at AutoZone. They said, oh, the solenoid's not working. Oh, the starter's not working. They're just giving me all this different stuff. So I said, well, let me do my own test. So how you test these, pretty simple, is you wanna take just a regular battery, right? Take your battery, you put your hot to your hot, negative to the negative. And then what you wanna do here is ground this, what you're about to see here. You're gonna take the ground from here, set the ground on here like so, onto the body of the starter, and then just get this in the area. Now, watch what you see here. So then the next thing you do is you just take your hot wire and the other hot, and you touch from here to here. So this to this little cable right here, and we're gonna get a jump here. Here we go. See it? It made me jump. There we go. So that's how you can tell if it's good, and it's good. So after me, of course, fixing it, right? So I did the same thing with this one initially, and what it was, just so you can see what happened, I'm gonna take the part out. You open this part up right here. Once you open this mount up, and in this mount, you have this that sits like so. I wanna show you how this, can you hold this for me for a second? Here, come on, quickly. Quickly, come on. I wanna show them how this is done. Okay, this is how you fix your starter. So once I open this all up, this sits on here like this, has these teeth that go in here. These particular teeth, they go, or there's I would call these the metal things that go inside of here. And then you have your springs, right? And the springs, so you have 4 of them on each side. So once this begins to rotate, and this is the old one, this rotates. But what ends up happening, this thing burnt all the way out. So if you see where this burns out, it connects right here. So it stopped that from starting. Also, what end up happening is that on the teeth right here, on one of these teeth from it starting, that's on the newer one, which is only 2 years old or so. But this one right here is probably the original one from when the boat was built. And so, but anyhow, I took this and used it as part. I'll take all this stuff and then basically put this in some to eat the rust and corrosion up, and just keep these as spare parts. But it's always good to keep spare parts, so that way you can fix your your starter, alternator, any car part. So again, instead of spending $200-300 on getting a new starter, you can fix it, simply open it up and inspect it, and you might come out on top like I did. I hope this helps someone. Leave a comment down leave a comment down below. And typically on this particular channel, we do things as a exterior cleaning company. But I also do a lot of handy things. I'm fixing things myself, so I'll be putting more content up like this. If this was helpful, let me know down in the link in the comments, and appreciate your time. Have a great day, everyone. Bye now.